Hey, what's going on, everyone? Today's the 18th of March, 2023. Real quick, we're going to talk about Bitcoin and its price approaching $50,000. We're going to try to see if that's likely, and if so, could we possibly predict it? Now, it's going to be a while. I'm not going to tell you that it's going to happen in 2 to 3 days, but rather, if we continue to see the strength, the demand that is currently coming through on the price chart for Bitcoin, then definitely we can see the market quickly approach $50,000. Now, this is all be due to the banking crisis that is currently ongoing across the world, not just here in the United States, but globally. Credit Suisse now is in talks to possibly be bought out by UBS. So if this continues, many people will continue to see Bitcoin as a safe haven, because rather than Bitcoin being impacted negatively about this banking crisis, look at the price action. It's been going up instead. Money is fleeing from the banks into Bitcoin. Let's talk about it. Did a price prediction in Bitcoin on the 14th of March. You guys can see that I was predicting that the price was going to go higher from that point. Here we are today. We're nearing that ultimate TP price, which we've created at $28,600 on the 14th. So if you wanted to take some profit out the market now with Bitcoin, there's nothing wrong with that, because you now have 11.25% profit right now. So congratulate yourself. Take some of this profit off the table and then let the rest ride. Now let's get back to it, because if I'm still looking for the market in Bitcoin to go higher, then I'm going to continue to go forward with this price prediction. But one thing that is giving me concern is looking at the market price action in Bitcoin breaking out. Like, this is a very steep slope that cannot be sustained. So at some point we will see price in Bitcoin come down, which is why I just said earlier, congratulate yourself. Take some of this off the table, because this is not going to last forever. It will pause and price will come back down. Okay, so let's look at this on a weekly chart, because we have one more day and 8 hours left before this weekly price bar ends. And I'm here to tell you right now, if Bitcoin's weekly price bar ends the way that it looks in the next day and 1 hour up here at the top of this weekly price bar, there is still strength in this particular cryptocurrency, and we will be looking for the market to go up. This is phenomenally strong of how this weekly price bar looks. But hey, give me a day and 8 hours and see how it ends. And like I said, if it looks the way that it looks right now, Bitcoin is still a buy. It's still geared to continue to show us strength and higher prices. Okay. So let's go ahead and look at this on a different time frame. Okay, and I'm breaking down to the daily real quick. The 5-day chart looks pretty good. I really see the market in Bitcoin showing resistance right here at the low that occurred on this 5-day price bar, March 26, 2022. And isn't that crazy? We haven't seen price in Bitcoin trade around $28,000 since May of last year. It's been that long. So here it is today. The market is now approaching that area. Be careful, because this is where I'm looking for price to get hung up at in Bitcoin. This is where I'm looking for the buyers to find issues of progressively moving the market higher. This is where it's at. Okay, so currently looking at this particular price action in Bitcoin, I still suspect that the market is still strong, it's still bullish, but at some point it's going to come back down. So be prepared for it. Okay, so what I'm going to do, I'm going to go ahead and continue to go forward with this idea that Bitcoin is going to continue to go higher. Now, in order for us to see $50,000, we would have to see the market from a longer term. Okay, and for us to go to $50,000 in Bitcoin, the market would literally have to increase 82%. Right now, it's doable. Okay, if this uncertainty within the financial markets continues, that's very doable for Bitcoin to run to 50,000, but it's not going to be like a straight shot up. So be prepared, because right here is where the market will find resistance areas. Okay, there will be times where Bitcoin will run up, get hung up, then break out again, then get hung up, then break out again. That is where the price action will occur for Bitcoin. Okay, so this is the 3 months chart, and currently looks pretty good. We got 13 days and 8 hours left on this 3-month price bar right there. And this definitely tells you that, yeah, the sentiment is changing. Okay, this 3-month price bar has already taken out the last 6 months of looking for Bitcoin going down. That is telling you that a change is occurring right now in Bitcoin. Let's look at this on the 6 months. Take a look, 6 months. We're seeing a change occur in the market. So let's be prepared to see how price reacts right there around $29,000-$30,000. That's where that first area of resistance currently lies. The second area is going to be up here, okay, around $35,000. Third area from a 6 months chart will be there around 46,000. So let's just be patient, let the market trade, and as we get more information on these time frames, it'll let us know if the market high has came in. Okay, so I'm going to continue to go forward though with the idea that Bitcoin is still bullish. I want you all to be prepared though, because that slope, this massive breakout that is currently happening into the market Bitcoin, is not going to last. Okay, you guys can see it already that Bitcoin is down 0.25% here. Okay, so I'm done. Everyone who is new, subscribe to the channel if you guys want more simplistic understanding as to how price moves and how price works and how price is literally the only thing that's important. Join me. Make sure you maintain profitability, and as always, trade different.